Hey, what's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my barbecue chicken. And the first thing you want to do after washing your or cleaning your chicken is add your salt. Add a little bit of dry pepper. Once you're done adding your dry pepper, the next thing you want to do is add a little bit of olive oil. Add your mixed pepper. Once you're done doing that, the next thing you want to do is add your dried leaves. Add your um, onion powder, add your curry. And once you're doing all of that, on the side I had a little bit of blended bell pepper. And what I'm doing right here is I'm mixing everything together. And the main reason why I'm doing this is so the spices all together can get into my chicken or my drumsticks. So with your gloves, get your gloves on and mix everything together. Once you're done doing that, the next thing I'm doing right here is I'm gonna cover this guy and let it sit um for like 5 to 6 hours. Once you're done with that, you put on your grill, and that is me right there, putting my drumsticks on the grill. Depending on the temperature you want, my right there was between 350 to 360. I want you guys to watch slightly because the technique I used in this video is kind of a little bit different from my previous videos. Like, I know every one of us have different ways we grill, but the technique I used in this video was a little bit different. So just pay attention. In between, you want to check your chicken frequently, that way it doesn't get stick to the grill. You want to check it frequently, and flip it at should I say at intervals. So that's what I'm doing right here, just flipping my chicken in between. Cover your grill, and once that guy is done for like it's been on the grill for like 60. But what I did here is I did pull my foil paper aside, then pull my chicken inside of my foil paper. And what I'm doing right here is the end goal is like putting my those grilled chicken inside of my foil paper. And after doing that, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add the sauce, because I did put a little bit of sauce, the one I did use to marinate it. I did put a little bit of sauce aside, put a little bit of sauce aside to continue the process. This is it right here. I'm about to fold it, and the goal is wrap everything up, add the sauce, everything up, and put everything back on the grill for another 20 minutes. That's the end result right there. So after letting that guy stay on the grill for another 20 minutes, I did take it out, and you see right here there. And the next step, what I'm gonna do right now, after taking all the chicken or all my drumsticks from the grill, what I'm gonna do next is, remember what I told you, I'm actually having a barbecue chicken, or should I say my barbecue drumstick. The ones once you're done taking your chicken from the grill, taking everything from the grill, the next step will be adding a barbecue sauce. I wish you can see what I'm saying right now. The meat is literally dripping off the bones, and that is the main reason why we're doing these days. So right there, I'm just adding barbecue sauce. And once you're done adding your barbecue sauce, you want to just mix everything a little bit together and put it back on the grill for another 5 to 10 minutes, so it could steam up. Thinking about things you can eat with your drumstick, with your barbecue drumstick, you can eat it with jollof rice like I did in this video, or with a white rice or stew. And look at that guy right there, looking so good, looking so yummy, looking so yummy. I want to thank you all guys again for your support towards my channel. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe and share. Let me see your comments down there. This guy look super delicious. Thanks again, and subscribe to watch more. Thank you.